Alright, so this is going to be our first and last attempt here, just because I've noticed that we are exhibiting the same behavior as previous builds here, but we have pedestrians on our left, we have oncoming traffic here, we're hanging too far out to the right, and there's a car turning left behind us as well, and we're just going for it, putting ourselves in the path of that car there that just passed us. So definitely some behavior there that just doesn't instill confidence in me, the driver, as well as surrounding drivers as well. So just to finish my thoughts from that unprotected left turn back there, sorry my GoPro had cut out. Again, the behavior kind of goes wrong from the start, as I've said in previous videos of that turn there. So we go to the right, even though we're making a left-hand turn. That definitely confuses drivers behind us. And there's always, plenty of traffic at the intersection. So it's important in future builds, when they start addressing this behavior, the car needs to align itself to the center line. From there, it's okay to proceed into that intersection and kind of wait in the middle to make our left-hand turn. But from there, we can't be jerking the wheel. I would say the wheel has to stay straight, so that if somebody hits us from the rear, we're not rolling into oncoming traffic then, which is a definite concern and something they teach in driver school. From there, we need to be able to efficiently detect oncoming traffic and then proceed when it's safe to do so. So there's a lot of work that needs to be done, I think, still at FSD Beta. Again, I've had it today make that left-hand turn, but because of the issues I mentioned around us, if there's a lot of traffic, it really requires a disengagement because it puts us in some unsafe situations there. So nonetheless, good work overall with 10.69.2, but that's one intersection where FSD Beta still struggles. So again, I'll be coming back in the future with future builds and testing it against there, and hopefully we'll see some improvements in the next major revision. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.